Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove facial hair instantly, remove blackheads and whiteheads, gold facial glow at home. Remove facial hair instantly, remove blackheads and whiteheads. For this we will needs Everyouth golden peel off mask, rose water, tomato juice, turmeric powder. You will need a small pouch of Everyouth golden peel off mask. Squeeze out the mask in a bowl. Add few drops of rose water and tomato juice to it. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix them well. Apply the mask on your face using a brush. Apply a thick layer of mask. Wait for about 15-20 minutes. Gently peel off the mask. Then wash your face. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.